welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Walmart beauty subscription. This is a seasonal subscription box. You receive it 4 times a year. The cost of the box is only $5. You only pay for the shipping. I have really enjoyed this subscription, guys. It provides me with a lot of my travel size items. It also gives me a chance to try new products that come out. So I really feel that it is really worth the cost of the subscription. You only receive it 4 times a year. This is the summer box. I'm going to open up on camera for you guys and share with you everything that I have in this subscription summer edition Walmart beauty box. I don't know what's inside of the box, the summer edition box, so this would be my first time viewing the items with you guys. So we're just going to open it up and get started with the video. But before we jump into the video, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, please hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. The packaging on this box is so beautiful. It's tropical. I love the colors. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. See, on top here is this little flyer that says embrace your beauty. Rate and review this summer products at walmart.com TB/shop beauty box. So I guess it's just telling you you can, rate and review your summer box. So more cute packaging. And they also, I didn't show you guys the inside of the lid here. It just says, embrace your beauty, inspire your beauty routine this season, show off your fabulous self. Beautybox.walmart.com, #WalmartBeautyBox. On top, they also have another flyer here. I guess it's just talking about another one of the products, Whole Blends. Product here, it is Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizing Day Night Mask, made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. So it says 96% naturally derived ingredients. And I love masks, guys. It's just anytime you're having a pamper night, or you just want to do anything, special for yourself, or you just want to refresh your skin, a mask is a great item. So it is one of my very essential products that I use in my skincare. So the next item looks like a damage repairing treat 1-minute hair mask plus papaya extract. So they are really doing good so far by this box. First you got a face mask, now you're getting a hair mask for your hair. I think that is so neat. And just like the other mask, this is naturally derived ingredients. So the next item is a mineral bath soak, Epsom salt, menthol, and lemon. So, looks like this box, guys, is really geared for self-pampering. So if you're having a pamper night at home, looks like everything in this box is complete to give you an awesome pamper night. And they have a donkey milk mask, which I have tried these before, and I just recently purchased one of these. So I really like this donkey mask, and my daughter, I gave her one and she liked it also. So this is the skin gel mask. It's supposed to nourish and restore. And I have received these in the Walmart beauty box before. So look like we have some Kleenex wet wipes, gentle clean, a gentle clean for hands and face, no harsh chemicals. And you guys know how much I love my wet wipes, so this is definitely a plus. Okay, Walmart, everything I have received so far, guys, I really like. I see I will be definitely using these. You know, everything here, like I said, you can always pack in your travel bag, or you can just, you know, give yourself a nice little pamper night at home. So whole blends, gentle shampoo. So you have a shampoo and a conditioner, and it is supposed to soothe, hydrates, and protects. So that would be great to throw in your essentials bag or your travel bag when you're traveling. You know, if you don't want to pack a container with your shampoo, if like if you're just going for a weekend, these would be a great item to just throw in your overnight bag. You know, some shampoo and conditioner if you go to the pool and you want to shampoo and cleanse your hair. So the very last thing that I'm seeing in here is just telling you about the Skin Active Moisturizer and about the Fructis Tricks right here, the hair mask. So guys, that looks like everything that I received in my Walmart beauty box, and this, I must say, has been my best box. I have received some awesome items. I love everything in here, and I'm really excited about trying these products. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And as always, guys, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.